Hi, Justin here with Seabreeze Erosion, a state-certified marine specialty contractor. Here I just want to highlight what erosion can do to a lake, and this drop-off right here, you can see where all the roots are exposed. When this community was first built, this was just a nice, even transition into the lake, and the builders required to have a 4-to-1 slope, and now it's a 5-to-1 slope going down into the water, creating a nice flat beach. Now this shoreline has had several years of erosion, and you can see here we have about 8 to 10 inches of what's called escarpment. That's just the word that they use for it. So this escarpment is out of code, and it needs to be corrected either by adding or filling something in, or just shaving the shoreline back and maybe putting some new sod in to just get rid of this drop off. So the state of Florida, Lee County, they don't like these drop-offs like this because they consider it an unhealthy lake, a hazard maybe for lawn care guys and people and pets that could potentially fall over this. So we actually have a proposal out on this lake with the customer right now, and we're proposing to fill this in with an aggregate and then plant a nice littoral shelf in here. So we got to get rid of this escarpment, and we have to put in some plants here and some aggregate that'll prevent further erosion. Obviously nothing's permanent, it's not going to last 100 years, but it'll get them by and create a safer environment for the next several years, couple of decades, however long it is, by remediating this shoreline problem. So this isn't too bad. We've seen way worse, but this is starting to get out of compliance, and this needs to be addressed, this escarpment here. So that's what we specialize in. We come in and fix the shoreline, get some healthy plants into here, and eventually we should have a nice flat beach with just healthy plants that are blooming and thriving and providing habitat for birds, fish, wildlife, things like that, and then everybody's happy.